and welcome to another video from Riley Photos. Now, in today's topic, we're discussing high ISO and whether or not the tripod is dead. Let's talk about high ISO. It's a measure of light sensitivity, isn't it? The higher the ISO number, the more sensitive your camera is to light, and so the brighter the image will be. However, high ISO means your image can become noisy or grainy, okay, which can affect the overall quality of the photo. So, what's the role of the tripod? Well, it's a device that helps keep your camera stable, isn't it? That's what it's there for. It reduces camera shake, which is important when you take long exposures or when shooting in darker conditions. It's a valuable tool for photographers, especially when you're shooting in those really low light situations. So what's the impact of high ISO on tripod use? Well, with the advancement of cameras, many new image stabilisation systems can reduce the need for a tripod. Additionally, some cameras have really high ISO levels with minimal noise, which means it's easy to capture sharp photos without the need for excess hardware like tripods. So in conclusion, while a tripod still plays an important role in photography and videography, high ISO technology has made it easier for us to shoot in low light situations without a tripod. However, it's really important to remember that every situation is unique. There's no one size fits all, and the best option for capturing high quality images may still be using a tripod. And it's essential if you're interested in capturing light trails or blurring movement, or even if you're going to use in-camera HDR, that's high dynamic range. So look, tripods are still useful. I hope this video has been useful to you. If it has, take a second to give me a thumbs up or even a subscribe if you'd like to listen to more photography chat. So I'll be going to grab my tripod and going out and taking some pictures myself. Thanks for watching.